first thing we do when we acquire new companies is making sure we have a unique source of truth for all our data. I'm Filippo De Salazar, I'm the general manager at Brightcove, which is part of Banking Spoons. You can see it as a blend of a private equity and technology company. We acquired many companies in the recent past. You might know some of these brands: Evernote, WeTransfer, Meetup, StreamYard, Brightcove, and many others. The synergies you unlock thanks to this kind of business model is that every company you acquire can rely on a strong platform of people that are very talented and technologies that you developed across all your business to being able to operate this business with more efficiency and effectiveness. It's not easy to stay competitive in this market. Customers need a very reliable solution to be able to produce and distribute their content at scale with low latency and high quality. The second thing is flexible monetization. The third, I would say, is being able to provide good analytics that allows you to understand what works and what not from a content perspective. The last one is having an all-in-one solution, which is, by the way, one of the reasons why we love Brightcove, because it really offers basically whatever you need in the media space. The first thing we really do when we acquire a company is to try to simplify the business, so reducing the complexity before adding new layer on top of that. We use Google Cloud across most of our products. So what we're doing is building a metadata optimizer that through AI basically generates automatically the metadata so that the companies don't need to spend resources, time and effort on that. The title, the subtitle are the first level of metadata that everybody puts in, but then every video has some description, some cue points, some elements that you want to add to it so that then the video is more discoverable to search, but also it's easier to be monetized through advertising. Another example is a universal translator. When you generate content at a global scale like our customers are doing, you need to then repurpose the content either through captioning that in different languages, but also dubbing in different languages, which powered by AI can allow you to dub basically automatically in other languages. So in seconds you can see your voice move from Italian to English to Arabic. We support all the languages, all the major ones at least, in this first release. All the data decisions are made through BigQuery. The simplicity of the tool, coupled with the strategic decision to make the data function responsible in not just doing the analysis, but actually democratizing access to the tool, made it possible not for just 5-10 people in the organization, but the entire organization made of more than 500 people to query. When we acquire a company, we see that to know an answer to a data question, you need weeks, if you're lucky days. With the way we work with BigQuery, we need seconds or maybe minutes. The scale and the reliability of Google has been paramount to do what we're doing. With Google Cloud, Brightcove is building a new way to turn analytics into action.